Hi guys, welcome back to our tutorial. We'll walk you through the process of setting up extra fees in WooCommerce. Whether you're adding a shipping surcharge, a service fee, or a custom charge for specific products or services, WooCommerce makes it easy. Let's dive in. First, to set up extra fees, we'll need to install the YayPricing. Let's head over to the Plugins section of your dashboard. Our site has YayPricing available here. Install and activate it on your site. And there you go, your plugin is ready to go. Now that the plugin is active, let's configure it. Head to Ecommerce, then YayPricing. On the product pricing dashboard, we have set some pricing rules. With this tutorial, I'm gonna configure the product fee rule. With the rule name, I want to give it like fragile item handling. Then set the pricing type, fixed amount or percentage. I'm gonna leave it as 5%, as an extra fee to protect fragile items. About the products, I'm gonna set this rule to be applied to the jewelry product. The fee should be charged for the customers who are far away from the store. So I'm gonna slide to conditions, and set it to apply only when the shipping region is South America, for example. Switch the toggle button to make this rule active. Once you're done, hit save. Now let's test it out. Move to the front end, add the target product to the cart and head to checkout. You'll see your fee applied just as you set it. And that's it, you've successfully added an extra product fee using YayPricing. Not only that, I'll give you another way to set up WooCommerce extra fees. Let's see, I'm gonna use YayExtra. The plugin supports adding product level options, like optional gift wrap, warranty fees, or customization charges. Our site has been installed with YayExtra. Navigate to the YayExtra dashboard. Create your option set, for example. I have some option sets here. Let's see, we have Receive a Perfect Bag set. Slide to the option tabs. YayExtra provides a lot of option types. As you can see here, I've configured a list of options. Click on it, you can see the settings panel for each option. For example, set the option name. Choose the option type from the drop-down list. And add some option values. In here, you can add the extra fees for the option value. I've set a lot here. Then, assign it to the products or categories you want. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, hit Save Changes. Now, let's try to make a purchase to see how YayExtra works. And that's how easy it is to add WooCommerce extra product fees in 2 ways using YayPricing and YayExtra. From optional services to special packaging, it's all possible. No code required. Like this video? Hit the like button, subscribe, and explore more ways to supercharge your WooCommerce store with YayCommerce. See you next time.